Hello everyone, this is Jessie. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a very exciting unboxing video for you today. Yes, we are doing another Chanel bag unboxing, and you can probably guess by the size of this box, because this is huge, we are unboxing the bag of the year, the Chanel 22. When the Chanel 22 first introduced last year by Virginia Viard, this bag took social media by the storm. Every single influencer on Instagram and TikTok and YouTube was carrying this bag, and everyone was talking about it. And there was definitely a lot of mixed reviews about this bag. People are saying, it looks too much like a trash bag. There's no design whatsoever. There's no structure to it. And I see a lot of YouTubers who are saying there were a lot of quality issues related to the Chanel 22. And I have to be honest with you, when the bag first came out, I did not love this bag because it looks too much like a trash bag. And why would I want to pay thousands of dollars to buy a trash bag? But the more I see people carrying it, styling it on social media, and the more people are talking about how versatile this bag is, how practical and functional this bag is, the bag was starting to grow on me. And Chanel was really smart. They came out with so many different colors and leathers and fabrics of this bag. And so then everyone have a lot of different options to choose from. I decided to went to the boutique and try them on in person, and I gotta tell you, I was sold 100%. So I actually bought this bag last year in June, and I have been using this bag for quite some time now. But I still want to go through the whole unboxing ritual with all of you today, because I still want to go through the whole exciting new bag reveal process with all of you. So let's get into the unboxing. Here it is. Let's see the bag. So here it is. This is the Chanel 22 bag in the size small with black leather and gold hardware. Let's go over some of the features of this bag. The first, you will see the signature Chanel medallion on one of the chains. And I think this looks super cute and adds more character of this bag. In terms of functionality, it comes with sort of a detachable pouch inside the bag, so you can keep your lipstick, your makeup, your small mirrors separate from the rest of the items in your bag. The bag is made of calfskin leather, and what's different about this bag is that they kind of create this sort of glazing effect on the leather, so it looks a little bit shiny. It has this kind of glossier effect. So what it does is that it makes this bag much more scratch resistant and much more durable compared to the lambskin leather. And if you look closely, it has the large Chanel quoting on the bag. The strap is made of the Chanel signature quilted chain, and when you carry this bag, you can create this kind of ruching effect to create this cinch look, and when you carry it, this cinch in look makes the bag looks more relaxing and casual. To close this bag, there is a magnetic closure on the top of the bag, so you can close it like this, and on the side you have the kind of the snap-on closure for each of the side to keep the bag closed. This bag also has I don't know if you can see it closely. This bag also has a zipper pocket inside, so you can keep your kind of small, more intimate items inside the bag. The lining of the Chanel 22 is fabric, so it makes the bag lighter and you don't have to worry about kind of scratching the leather when you put your stuff in. So on to what are my thoughts after carrying this bag for almost 8 months. And here is my honest opinion. This bag quickly became my favorite with absolutely no doubt. I carry this bag everywhere. I go to grocery shopping with this bag. I went out with friends with this bag. I go on, dates with my husband with this bag. I went to the farmer's market. I run errands with this bag. Basically, everyday use. Because this bag is black color, it pretty much goes with every outfit. And especially because I live in LA, the LA style is just more casual, more relaxed. And this bag creates this kind of, cool girl, LA vibe girl, edgy style, but also super relaxed, super casual. So it's perfect for the LA lifestyle. And I have been carrying this bag so much that my husband even said, do you not have any other bags to use? Because why do you only use this bag? And I couldn't help it because I just naturally go for this bag whenever I go out because it's so practical, it's so versatile, and it fits basically everything. And I just naturally go for this bag whenever I go out. Alright, so let's go over some pros and cons of this bag. Obviously, the pros is the functionality of this bag, because this bag can basically fit everything that you need in your life. Your phone, your sunglasses, your makeup, your lipstick. You can fit bottled water, you can fit your scarf, a sweater, basically everything. And this is even a size small. Another pro is how versatile this bag is, because this bag is meant to go with their casual look. So you can throw on every outfit, just a t-shirt or a pair of jeans. It can create that super cute chic look for your everyday casual look. So the biggest con about this bag, I would say it's definitely the chain, because this bag is so big, you can fit so much inside your bag. It starts to add weight onto the chain and it would sink down on my shoulder if I carry it like this. So if I carry this bag for an entire day, my shoulder gets really, really painful and it's not fun. Luckily, I found a solution on Amazon. I was able to find this kind of a leather handle chain strap to wrap it on top of your chain. Let me show you. And you can add this handle wrap on the top of your chain so it adds a protection onto your shoulder and it doesn't sink down on your shoulder. I think this is about, 10, 11 bucks on Amazon. I will link it on the description box down below. Now, on to the price of the Chanel 22. When I bought this bag last year in June, the Chanel 22 in the small size was priced at $5,100. And I know Chanel just had their new round of price increase. So the Chanel 22 in the size small is now priced at $5,500, which is about 8% increase, which I think is pretty insane. The way that Chanel has been doing their price increase has been pretty outrageous. But that's another topic for another day. In conclusion, would I recommend the Chanel 22? Absolutely yes. Because this bag is so versatile and so functional, and everyone is able to fit this bag in their daily use and incorporate in their wardrobe. And especially the big bag trend in 2023 is having a huge comeback this year. Everyone is ditching their tiny bags and jumping on the big bag trend. So if you already have a collection of the Chanel Classic bags, like the Chanel Classic flaps, the boy bag or the Chanel 19, I would definitely recommend adding the Chanel 22 in your collection. However, if you don't have all the other Chanel classic and you're considering buying your first Chanel bags, I wouldn't recommend the Chanel 22 because it is still considered a trendy bag. It hasn't gone through the test of time. So if you want to invest your money into a timeless classic piece, I wouldn't go for the Chanel 22 because honestly, we don't really know how long this bag will last. In addition, I just saw the Chanel 22 with the mini version, and Jennie Kim from the Blackpink is their new ambassador for the Chanel 22 mini version. Oh my god, they are just so cute. When they first debuted on the runway, I was sold. I have not yet to see the Chanel 22 mini in person, so I will share with you once I try them on in the boutique. This is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!